So last time we learned the long vowels. So today we are going to learn a new subject. As you all might be thinking, how can the letters join? How do you write a word? So we are going to learn this in the following videos. So we are going to learn this, the first letter. Before that, I would like to tell you to please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Here. So guys, let's start. So today the letter we are going to learn is Alif. You all might know the letter. It's called Alif. So we have to learn how we join it in the beginning, middle and end. This is the separate form of the verb. So when you join it with some letter, in the beginning you write it like this only. The same letter itself. You cannot join it like this or like take it from this line like this. It's wrong. So it's separate, one letter. It's separate only. So for the middle letter, you do it like this. Because you cannot join after Alif anything. Okay, so remember always after Alif you cannot join anything. So this is how it is. Understood guys? Let's go to the next one, the last and the final. Like what if the letter comes in the final? So how do you join it? It comes like this, separate. Alif. Alif is very easy because the beginning and the end has the same thing, but only the middle has some changes. So that just means that you need to just join it like this, a straight line, and join it. As I told you before, to join, cut the curve and then join. So that's how you do it. So guys, I'm going to give you an exercise on the beginning. Okay, let's go to the exercise. So I'm going to give you an exercise. Let's go guys. So this means the beginning. I'm putting a dash over here for you guys to know that it's the beginning. So this is the first exercise. The second one. I told for some letters that it won't join. If you want, you can go to our previous videos. If you don't get time, please pause the video. Time is ticking. So this is the beginning. Yes. Time is ticking. Let's go. Did it guys? Let's go to the answers. So, ba, I told you always it's in the beginning, so it's separate always. So you just put Alif over here, and Alif over here. Understood? So it's very easy, just you have to put the letters. If you know the letters, this beginning, middle and final joinings are very easy. Very easy that you will learn it very fast. Let's go to the middle exercise. The first thing I'm going to give you, between these two letters I want you to put Alif, but you have to tell me how you're going to put it. And the second exercise, I'm giving you some random words. So, time is ticking guys. You guys are getting the answers? Okay, now let's go to the answers. So for the first, I hope you guys are writing notes so that you'll be able to learn Arabic very easily. So the first one is, these are the answers. I told you can join. So as I showed over here, you can join. So then it goes like this. Alif. So what is it? Bab. Bab. The long alif. The long alif. Let's go to the next one. The next one. Ta and sha. Ta and sha. Let's go. Very easy. Just cut the curve. Put it. Done. Dash. 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 You put an alif over here. So let's go to the third one now. As I told, that cannot be joined before many times. In the previous videos I have told. So it becomes dos. Dos. Okay. Guys, let's go to the last and final one. Final exercise for you guys to finish the first alifs, beginning, middle and final joining letter. Let's go to the final. First is final. Okay, actually I didn't teach you guys this, but then you will learn it in the future videos. But what I told you, you can either join it like this in the end. Understood, guys? Because what I wrote over here was you could join for letters that wouldn't join. So these are for letters which can join. Okay, guys? Let's go. I showed you an example right now. I told you one answer. Now let's go to the exercise. What will you do? Let's go to the second. So I'm giving you this two exercise because you guys will get confused. Time is ticking, guys. The final and the last one. Guys, if you didn't get enough time, please pause the video. So as I told, you just have to join it like this, alif, because there's no dal over here. There's no dal and all ra, za. So this is very easy. Just join it like this, like the middle. So guys, that's it for today, and wait for our next video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We all want to make Arabic learning easy for you. So bye guys.